We're halfway now with number five, and number five is one of my favorites, and this is merch by Amazon. This is probably one of the best ideas, one of the best options for beginners. In fact, for anyone who's looking for a new business model, a new online income stream. It's an insanely good opportunity, and it is in its very, very early days right now, and it's only just starting to expand. So if you get in now, there are good chances that you're going to do very well on this platform with time. It's very passive. Basically, what it is a print on demand platform. So that means basically you upload designs to a t-shirt template, a mock-up provided by Amazon anyway. You don't need to create this mock-up yourself. As you just provide the designs, upload them to Amazon, give them a bit of a description, and then post them. And they're then listed on the Amazon US website. Currently, merch by Amazon listings can only be sold to US addresses. They are expanding to the EU very soon. So basically, yeah, you do the designs, you upload the designs, and then you post them to Amazon. And every time someone buys a shirt from you, buys that design, buys that listing on Amazon, you get a royalty. And you get to set how much you sell this for. So I could sell my design for $16.99 and make about $4 royalty every time it sells, which is pretty good. And yeah, that is it. That's how passive it is. You create the designs, you upload the designs, and that's it. You just get paid each month. You don't have to do any marketing because Amazon, they have probably the biggest traffic ever, especially in the US. Amazon's the biggest website, and probably in the world it's the biggest website. So you're getting plenty of traffic. You just need to create some eye-catching, funky, cool, cute designs for specific niches, specific audiences, things that people are going to want to wear and will be happy and proud to wear. You can create evergreen designs, which are basically about hobbies, professions, careers, relationships, and things that are always in demand. Or you can jump on and profit from large trends such as 2017's solar eclipse, Father's Day, Christmas, Halloween, bonfire night, New Year, things like that. Basically large events and even viral trends such as viral memes and things. And it's incredibly lucrative because you create one design, and yes, it may take you an hour or two to create this very intricate graphic design, or even 10 minutes to create a very simple text-based design, which is what I do. And you make it once, you invest that time, or you even buy the design, or you hire a freelancer to create it. You pay them, anywhere from $4 to $10 for this design, and then it's going to sell and sell and sell and sell well into the future. And as I said, it's still in its very early stages. Currently, they are expanding to new products. So very recently, long sleeve t-shirts were added to the product line, and to Germany and the UK. They're going to start selling merch designs to Germany and the UK very soon as well. And hopefully they'll be rolling that out to all accounts very soon. However, margins can be slim when compared to other potential business models such as dropshipping or creating a brand on Shopify. They can be slim, but it's much more passive. Graphic design skills are certainly not required, but are desirable, of course. I personally have a very limited background in design. I'm not a designer. I can only create text-based designs. I cannot draw to save my life. I'm a terrible artist, but I still make over $100 a week in royalties from merch by Amazon. And you can also build out a large print-on-demand business from this if you have, a specific set of designs that just sell and sell and sell over and over and over again. Your best sellers on merch by Amazon. You can then go ahead and create a website and upload these designs to this website and then start marketing them, because clearly there's a demand there and you can build a brand around these. And brands are incredibly valuable when you grow them and nurture them over the space of a few years, and you can then sell it for a very high multiple. Additionally, you don't have to create a brand out of your merch by Amazon designs. You can literally just use this as a business in itself, which is what I plan on doing, and building your account to, thousands of dollars in royalties per month, and then you can sell it when you get bored of the business if you want. If you're not doing this to increase your monthly cash flow, you want to create and sell a business, you can sell your merch by Amazon account. I have seen, and I actually discussed this in my Merch by Amazon Udemy course, I show you and discuss and explain how Merch by Amazon accounts are being sold for anywhere from $40,000 to $90,000. And I'm not exaggerating. I show you the listings and I show you that these listings have sold. People have bought these businesses for the amount stated on the listing that I show you in my Udemy course about this. So this is a very, very lucrative, profitable, and early stages opportunity, and it's something that I definitely would not roll my eyes at. I would definitely have a very, very detailed look at this opportunity, guys.